Hello style lovers! Today's video is about a hidden gem I recently discovered in Hong Kong, and I believe this place deserves a big shout out for bringing in town a cool, innovative idea. But before that, let me ask you a question. Do you guys love wearing flip-flops? If yes, keep watching, because I'm gonna show you the place where you can actually design, create, accessorize your own flip-flops and be different. So today I'm gonna create 4 funky pairs of flip-flops. 2 are for myself, 1 for my son and 1 for my niece. And as a bonus, I'm also gonna show you 2 different chic ways to incorporate the new funky flip-flops in the look. Lavulous Workshop. When I first stepped into the artistic shop, I was impressed by the coziness of the place. Neat and meticulously organized, the tiny store in the heart of Central clearly expresses the sense of aesthetics and the attention to detail of the founder. Choose from a wide range of colors in straps and soles and accessorize your step-ins with over 100 fun pins, flowers, butterflies, Swarovski rivets and clasps. Lavulous signature? A design your own flip-flops party! Baby showers, hen parties, kids parties, Lavulous parties and events are fabulous artsy, crafty get-togethers. You guys saw there are endless possibilities to create personalized flip-flops. Lavulous Workshop is offering 15% discount to video viewers. Just use the code underneath the video while browsing their website. Bye!